So how do you explain deep learning? Let's start off by imagining we're at the helm of a tiny sailboat. And off we sail from the harbor, on an expedition with a course set for deep waters, the deep learning, if you will. And what will we find there? Who knows, but we sure can't wait to... I forgot the water. Hang on.
Shoot.
Well, that didn't work. I do think it's a good reminder that failure is an important part of deep learning, but let me try this another way. Deep learning is founded on the 6 C's: critical thinking, collaboration,
communication,
character,
creativity,
citizenship. And here at Athens, I would actually add one more C. Two more C's? Is it two? Two more? Cross-curricular. The potential for connections across subject areas already exists in any project you would assign. So when you emphasize the power of those connections, you can unleash all kinds of deep learning possibility. Think of cross-curricular connections in deep learning as the parentheses. Now, if I have my math right, anything outside those parentheses is going to act as a multiplier. Let's see what this idea looks like in action. Animation allows for collaboration between our film and arts students. Film students come up with scripts and ideas for a story, and art students create backdrops, scenes, and characters to help fill in the narrative. They then share their work at state-level competitions.
MacArthur cuts inside. Still going. Still going. Oh, he's giving it!
A short documentary project like the Polar Bear Legacy allows students to take what they learn in history class and conduct research and interviews to see how it is still relevant today.
And I see this one girl in the crib. And I said, if only that would be our daughter. It was.
With E. coli levels in Lake St. Clair escalating, our students go out into the community to conduct interviews with local experts and conduct experiments of their own to see if they can find a solution.
Pretty much what the theory is it's almost like looking at the negative of a picture. Here we're counting the colonies. On here we'll be counting the holes.
At the height of the Flint water crisis, government and innovation students went to Flint to interview local residents to try to influence politicians to make it right sooner rather than later.
They're actively trying to make people know less when it's the opposite, where people should know everything.
Film and lit students who traveled to Los Angeles on a field trip saw an opportunity not just to learn about film when they were there, but to make a film. They worked with other English and music classes to capture the mood of the story, and were able to add an original score to the film for the first time. Threads for Teens Detroit was an original student project, a collaboration across many classes that raised money and clothing for girls in foster care.
Set up the location, we are using like a store to give the girls the shopping experience of their dreams. They get to pick out 2 head-to-toe outfits complete with accessories.
Held at a Quicken Loans building in downtown Detroit, the event provided brand new clothing for over 75 girls. Athens students from Innovation, Student Council, History, English, TV classes all assisted in telling the story of the Joan Rose Foundation as they moved from the Dominican Republic to Haiti. It was eventually selected as the 2016 charity for Athens Charity Week, and with the money raised, the foundation was able to open an entire new school for the children served. Many of these projects have been underlined by a commitment to helping and serving others. In fact, many of these projects receive partial funding assistance from service grants from Youth Service America. This culture of service was recognized by Governor Rick Snyder in 2017 with the Michigan Governor's Service Award in Education. We didn't set out to accomplish any of this. We set out to put kids in a position to lead with their hearts and their own learning. So cross-curricular work isn't part of a wider school initiative, but a reflection of who we are. It unifies our goals, and when we are all together, we can accomplish amazing things with deep learning.